Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. This is useful when a website isn't opening important windows or features correctly. In Google Chrome, all we need to do first is click the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Here, we can find Settings, Toolbars, and other options for Google Chrome. To enable pop-ups, we just need to click on Settings. Once we are here, we need to go to Privacy and Security. From there, let's scroll down until we see Site Settings. This is where we can find options for location, camera, microphone, and also pop-ups and redirects. Once we see pop-ups and redirects, click on it, and we will see the different options available. To enable pop-ups, all we have to do is turn on the setting that allows sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. This way, we can allow pop-ups for trusted websites whenever we need to. And that's all there is to it. Now we know how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome,